Animal kingdom. Mollusca means a soft body like word. The mollusca is derived from the Greek word molluscus, the second largest phylum mollusca, the soft body animals. Phylum mollusca. Grade of organization. Multicellular organism have level of classification. Cells make tissues make organ make organ system, and organ system make organisms. Symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. The body parts arranged along of central axis. If the animal is cut through the central axis, we get two identical halves. Germinal layers. Organism with three germ layers present in ectodome, mesodome and endodome. This ectodome outer layer, mesodome middle layer, endodome inner layer. Coelom. True coelom. True coelom is fluid filled cavity that develops within the mesodome. This mesodome. Habit and habitat. Mollusks live in variety of environmental, aquatic, marine and freshwater. They live in everywhere from the deepest ocean, terrestrial traces to the tops of trees. Digestive system. Digestive tract is complete with the mouth and anus at opposite ends of the body. Mollusks feed on about everything. Most are herbivores, carnivores or filter feeders. Respiratory system well developed with lungs or gills. The gills are used in respiration to breathe. Terrestrial musculars breathe by using specialized adapted mantle cavities that are lined in blood vessels. This must be kept moist in order for the gas exchange to occur. Circulatory system. The oxygen taken in travels in the blood to various parts of the mollusk. The body is pumped around with a simple heart. Mollusk muscles have an open circulatory system except for cephalopoda. This means the blood is not containing within vessels. The blood works in a way it opens spaces in the body called sinuses. Dorsal heart usually in a pericardial cavity. Squid and octopus have the closed circulatory system where the body stays inside the blood vessels all the time. Reproduction. Varied method in different classes, monoecious and dioecious. Most mollusks have two separated sexes. Fertilization in external. The egg and sperm released into the open ocean. They find each other by change. This results in a free swimming larva. The mollusks with tentacles fertilization in internal. Octopus dies. Some snails are hermaphrodite. They will get together to fertilize the other eggs, the trochophora larva. All mollusks have a similar development pattern. The development a trochophora larva. The larva float around in water and feed on plankton. Same life as phylum. Unique features. Body composed three main parts. Body has head, visceral mass and muscular foot. Head has sensory tentacles. Calcareous cell. Feathers like gills for respiration and excretion. Excretion have nephridia to filter fluid from the coelom. Undigested food is removed in the form of feces. Cellular waste a lot of ammonia in it because ammonium is toxic. It has to be removed from the body. Mantle, radula are seen. Mantle, the membrane which covers visceral mass. Space between the hump and the mantle is called mantle cavity. This mantle, the visceral mass. The head, foot, visceral mass, three parts. Radula, file-like rasping organs present in the mouth or mollusk is used for feeding. Once the create a hole that will extend their mouth, and radula through the rip a part of the soft tissues of the animals. The radula is a miniature chitinous teeth. The radula rasping organ used in feeding teeth are formed of chitin and can be replaced. Examples: pila, apple, snail, pinctida, ear oyster, sepia, lolico, octopus, abilca, dendalium, this etc. Phylum Mollusca. Examples: grade of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral, germ layers, triploplastic, coelom, coelomate, habit and habitat, aquatic, fluid, terrestrial, digestive system complete, respiratory system, gills and pulmonary sac. The terrestrial circulatory system open type, reproductive, the oviparous and direct or indirect. Unique features. These examples: pila, pinctida, sepia, lolica, octopus, dendalium, abilca. Thank you, students.